Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rasmin and I'm glad you played my video. In case you don't know, this is my jewelry store, Jewellery. So today in this video, I'm gonna share how do I make packages for my jewelry store. So let's get started then. Most of us love luxurious packaging, but what's the use of those extra unimportant beauty that is not eco-friendly? Being an owner of a small jewelry store, I'm trying to do a bit for the environment. I make my own packages with craft paper because it's 100% eco-friendly and its rustic look doesn't make me regret. I do use bubble wraps, but only in case of products that are fragile like mirrors and battered earrings, and I do use poly bags to avoid any distortion. I have left this video on tab labs, hoping you will enjoy. And we do provide fastest delivery all over India, so you can follow the link of our store in the description, and please feel free to place orders if you like any. I'm hoping for your support throughout my journey, and if you're still watching, then thank you so much. I'm waiting to hear what you think about my packaging. Please share your comments or any kind of suggestions below. By the way, I felt bad to see most of my viewers haven't subscribed to my channel. I just don't know what's stopping you from tapping the red button beside the name of my channel. You can leave my likings on comment section, okay, or anything that I should work on. Here I'm done with my few orders. There's less rush in small business, but inshallah I will stand on my feet soon with all you people's support. But before that, if you like my video, then please do give me a thumbs up and share this video with any 2 person you like. That would be enough. Thank you.